Good afternoon, teacher, and hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install Anaconda in the window. And go to right now. Go to Chrome. We type download Anaconda for Windows and click here. Get start or just click on free download. Yes, this is Anaconda. This is mini Anaconda. We want to download Anaconda. Click here. Yeah. See. And I download a file in before. Convert, open here. Anaconda 3. Yes. You click here. Next, agree. Install for just me recommend. Click here. Okay. Next. Next. And we register Anaconda as my default Python. Recommend allow other programs such as Visual Code, PyCharm, etc. to automatically detect Anaconda as the primary Python. 3.13 on the system. Click. Please wait. Cancel it. Okay. Right now we install already. Next. Next. And we run it. Click this. Okay. Finish. Please wait. It's running. And for beginner, I will recommend you for Jupyter notebook for beginner machine learning. And click run here. And help PyCharm, Anaconda AI Navigator. And this is file. And we can create the file, open new Python file, and we should have click new folder and demo one and open here. This open Python. Okay. I will show you a example like print hello world. Okay. Switch enter. Hello world. Right now we install already and can run it. Thank you for pay attention.